Hi, let me show you an induction pot from Royal Catering. It's actually heavy-duty, high-grade stainless steel construction, so it fits in every kitchen that it is in the world. So let me just go through some of the details. So first of all, starting from the top, you have a lid that produces a really tight fit to avoid any spillage. Of course, you have flared edges to avoid any drippings. Stainless steel handles was why we added. Always when you use handles, use both hands, and they're metal, so they might get hot during service, so always use mittens or a kitchen rag. This particular model has a 32-liter capacity, so it's rather meant for stocks, soups, sauces in larger quantities. Of course, it's induction pot, so it has a really heavy base in a sandwich construction, so it means that it has several layers of aluminium and stainless steel, so it conducts the heat really well. All right, so that's pretty much it. If you're looking for a stock pot or a large pot, just have a look at the website, because there's a whole range of these devices. These pots are going up to 98 liter of capacity, so you will find definitely the one that you need for your business. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, so that speaks for itself. They're really solid, so the producer is pretty sure nothing will happen to it. And if you order it, they will send it in a really sturdy cardboard box, just like this one, with lots of packaging material in it. What is a really cool feature is the fact that the lid is packed separately, it's in some cardboard, so even it does end up more dropped or something, nothing will happen to it, and it will not rattle around during transport. So that's pretty cool. All right. Also inside of the box you find a little handbook, but there's some information on how to clean the pot and so on. But it is really sturdy. You can use any metal utensils with it with no risk of damaging it. So, if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you, and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.